Want to avoid those annoying gaps when you're putting up a fence on uneven ground? Okay, so first off, you gotta really check out the slope before you start. Like, don't just eyeball it and hope for the best. Measure the angles and figure out how much the land dips or rises. When you're cutting your pickets, think about customizing them to fit the slope instead of forcing straight cuts. This way, they snug right up to the ground. Adjustable rails are a game changer too, because they let you tweak the height so the fence stays flush with the terrain. Another tip is to space your posts closer together on steep spots. It helps keep the fence steady and reduces sagging. Don't forget to use a string line to keep everything aligned horizontally, even if the ground isn't flat. And if you're dealing with grass or dirt that's all uneven, clear it out or add some gravel underneath so nothing shifts around later. Oh, and always double check that your fence panels are level at the top for a neat look rather than following the ground's bumps exactly. One of the biggest slip-ups is just cutting all the pickets straight and expecting them to sit tight on a hill. This usually leaves those ugly gaps that invite animals or let wind mess with your fence. Fix this by shaping pickets to match the slope. Another common problem is spacing posts too far apart on uneven terrain, which makes the fence wobbly or sag over time. Just put them closer together where the ground drops off. Lastly, ignoring rail adjustments is a mistake lots of folks make, thinking a one-size-fits-all rail works everywhere. Instead, grab adjustable rails to keep your fence tight and looking sharp no matter how much the land changes. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who totally get how to handle tricky fence jobs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners who need your skills without all the hassle.